Thrive dashboard, you can very easily customize notifications and adjust how the success or error messages are displayed. Today's video is going to be about how you can change the design of these notifications in several easy steps. Now, the notification toasts are part of the Global Elements card that can be quickly accessed from your Thrive dashboard. Alright, now let's look for the Global Elements card and let's talk a bit about the things that you can do while on this dashboard. This is where you can manage and customize global elements such as content templates, symbols, blocks, and so on. So the changes you make here will be applied to all the elements of the same category wherever they appear on your website. Now for the notifications I was telling you about, we will have to click here on the Notification Toast tab and we get to see which is the active template. The default ones cannot be modified, so you have them displayed across your website as they are right here. The custom ones, on the other hand, are easy customizable. So what you need to do is just apply this set, so make this one active, and then launch the Thrive editor. If you're a Thrive user, you are already familiar with this screen. So from the top, you have the option of viewing the available designs. So let's just browse this list. I'm gonna go, for example, with this design set, and just click on Replace Template from here. Now you can see that the default state you are editing is the success one, but the changes you make here will be applied to the warning and to the error messages as well. So if, for example, you want to change that, you can just click here on Edit Design and select a different notification from this panel. So for the sake of this example, I'm gonna go ahead with the warning message. Next, you get to select the placement of the notification, so the actual position on the screen. Now you will notice that also, depending on the selection you make here, you might have access to several additional settings right under the main table. So if the notification is displayed in the top corners of the page, then you will be able to adjust the top and side spacings. If the notification will be displayed in the lower part of the page, then you will also be able to adjust the bottom and side spacing. Now the dedicated article from our knowledge base does go into more details on how you can use all these options and sliders, so check that one as well if there's something that's not already covered in this video. And then what you can also do here is customize the animation direction, so the way the notification pops up on the screen. So you can basically use these options to tweak the animation direction and its speed. And that's about it. I hope this quick guide will be useful to you.